has come to Independence Mall. The leaves are starting to change colour. Here at the corner of 5th and Market, right next to through the trees is the Weizmann Institute. Through the trees in that direction is the Constitution Center. Through the trees in that direction is Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence was signed. And right here is a tent because it's a Jubilee year. 7 years times 7 years makes it a Jubilee year when all debts are forgiven. And then this is day 8. They're here for 10 days. And I walked past a couple of times. I haven't seen massive crowds, but they have some nice music. I guess everyone's exhausted with the elections, and the genocide in Palestine, everything else going on, shrinkflation. But this is a lovely song. I had thought it was a Jewish festival. It's more likely it's Christian Zionists. Because I see Hanukkahs.